What's going on, y'all? This is Raeshad from RaeshadBeats.com. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I want to talk to you guys about a dope project that I've been working on strictly for my audio engineers and my home studio beginners. Now, because we are still in COVID, there has been an influx all over the world with artists and engineers alike where they have been creating their own studios within their homes using studio setups because of COVID restrictions. Now, this is where I come in. I have created a step-by-step tutorial video guide that'll teach you how to use Pro Tools from start to finish. You heard me right. I said we will be learning how to use Pro Tools from start to finish. For those of you who don't know what Pro Tools is a digital audio workstation that is renowned for it being one of the best digital audio workstations for recording and mixing all over the music industry. Now, the name of this project that I have been working on for my audio engineers and my beginners is called Pro Tools Crash Dummy Course. Now, in Pro Tools Crash Dummy Course, you will be getting 7+ videos with loads of information on how to work Pro Tools, how to create sessions, how to mix, and how to record in Pro Tools. You also will be getting 12+ bonus videos that'll give you more information on how to use Pro Tools and its various features and get you more familiarized with recording in Pro Tools. Each video is a one-on-one tutorial that'll show you how to use Pro Tools in real time, and you will be able to go back and look at these videos as much as you like. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, you can click the link in my description below to sign up to Pro Tools Crash Dummy Course, and you can get instant access as soon as you click on the link below. So if you're an audio engineer or you have started your own home studio and you're looking to learn how to use something like Pro Tools, then look no further. Check us out at Pro Tools Crash Dummy Course with the link below. Raeshad Beats out. See you on the inside. Peace.